mode. Hello boys and girls, today we're talking about our next shape. We're going to be talking about triangles. Alright, so here's the picture of a triangle. It has three sides. 1, 2, 3, and it has three vertices. Remember we talked about last week that when those two lines meet and make a point, it's called a vertex. If you have more than one of those, it's called vertices. So a triangle has three vertices. We're going to listen to this little song about triangles, and then we're going to work through our workbook pages together, okay?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have three sides. Triangles. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have three sides. Triangles. They've got three sides. Three sides. Triangles. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have 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 three sides. Triangles. They've got three sides. Three sides. Triangles. 1, 2, 3. Triangles, they've got three sides. Triangles, they've got three sides. Okay, let's do a little practice. Which object is the triangle? That's right, it's the tree. And what color is the triangle in this picture? That's right, it's blue. How many sides does the triangle have? 1, 2, 3. Triangles have three sides. Triangles. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have three sides. Triangles. 1, 2, 3. Sides. Triangles. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have three sides. Triangles. They've got three sides. Three sides. Triangles. 1, 2, 3.
All right. We're going to switch over to our workbook page. It looks like this. You need to get out less than 9.5, it says at the top. So I'll give you a minute to find that and get your name on the top.
It's a sign, your old pal Grover.
Turn Grover off. He clicked on his own there. All right, we're going to turn over and find our workbook page 9.5. Get your name on the top, and then we'll kind of work through this together. I'll give you the directions. We're talking about triangles, and it just told us in our video, how many sides did those triangles have? They had three sides. So on your paper, I want you on this side, let's see what it says.
Triangles.
Triangles. So on this side of your paper, I want you to draw me a picture of a triangle. And remember from our song, it has three sides and it also has three vertices. So I want you to draw and color a picture of a triangle. Now anytime you need to pause the video for a second to finish something, you can do that. And then hit play when you're ready to go on to the next part. Once you get your triangle drawn, you can come over here. Let's see what it says.
Not triangles.
Alright, so on this side, I want you to draw me a shape that is not a triangle. It could be anything that does not have three sides and three vertices. So you're going to draw something different. It could be a square, a rectangle, a circle, any of those other shapes we talked about. Draw me something on this side that is not a triangle. Now we're going to open to the next page. Alright, on this page with the red apple, you're going to go on a triangle hunt. We're going to do the first few together, and then I'm going to let you finish it on your own. We're going to put an X on every shape that is a triangle. So we're going to have to put it to the triangle test. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 vertices. So we're going to look at each shape and see if it fits that description. So let's do a few together and then you can finish on your own. What about this one? Does it have 3 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. So could it be a triangle? No, it could not. Let's come to the next one. See how many sides it has. I see 1, 2, 3. So could that be a triangle? Yes, it could. It has 3 sides, and if we look, it has 3 points. 3 vertices too, so it is a triangle. We're going to put an X on that red triangle. Now this next shape, let's check and see. Does it have 3 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it is not a triangle. Okay, I want you to keep going on this page, and I want you to put all these shapes to that test. Check and see if they have 3 sides and 3 vertices. They are a triangle, and you're going to put an X on them. If they do not have 3 sides and 3 vertices, you're going to leave them alone. That means they're a different shape. So you can finish this page on your own. You can push pause if you need to work on that. I'm going to go on and give you the rest of the directions, okay? The next page, we've got our picture here. On this page, you're only going to color the shapes that are triangles with those 3 sides and 3 vertices. Then on the back, in this row, I want you to put an X on any triangles you see, only the triangles. And then down here, I want you to draw and color a triangle for me. All right? So good luck, do your best work, and I'll be looking at it once you turn it in. I'll talk to you later.